Hello everyone. Okay, can you guys hear me and see me clearly? Okay, let me have a sound check. Can you guys? Okay. You guys can see and hear me. Hi Ajay, how are you doing? Nice to see you here. Okay. Did you attend the live section yesterday? I think that would be my colleague. So today just chit chats about analyzing your this is not 2023, it's 2024. My apologies. Okay, let me edit the number. Okay, I think I'm still in 2023, but she is already in the last month of this year, 2024. Okay, so basically just talk about how your performance this year, or whether you keep your trade journals or not. Good morning, Peggy. It is a Charles. How to pronounce your name? Okay, I know that you say good morning to me, but good evening to you. Okay, my time zone is 5:32 p.m. Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. All right, welcome to IC Market webinar. So today it's just all about your performance, how you're performing in 2024, and whether you keep your trade journals or not. Okay, so basically just a chit chat, and then maybe toward the end we will look at the chart together, and then you can request if you have any like specific pair. Okay, you want me to have a look for you. Okay, shall we start? All right, before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. All right, anything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay, and just want to have a quick highlight over here. Risk warning: trading forex and CFD carries significant risk to your capital and is may not suitable for all investors. So please come and join the webinar and learn together. If you attend the live streaming section, if you have any question or anything you want to clarify, you can just ask me anytime you want. But if you don't have time, you can just maybe watch at the YouTube on IC Market Global. Okay, so basically today I'm going to talk about again, let me put this one at 2024 performance. We're going to talk about how to use my myfxbook. I don't know whether you guys use this website or platform. I'm using this one as well. Optimizing your strategy: best day, best time, best instrument, and best direction. Basically I just want to share with you guys. Okay, if you follow me, you know that I only pick specific pair that I trade. Okay, so basically by now you guys should already knows me. Okay, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader as well. So basically you will see me every Tuesday for educational section, which is yesterday. Every Monday is all about live training section that will be hosted by my colleague. It's either Kaden or one of my team. Okay, and so how do you use your myfxbook? So basically myfxbook is just a platform, okay, designed for the forex trader to analyze their trading performance, optimize strategy, and engage with the community of the trader. Okay, so basically what you need to do, I'm not sure that I want to show you guys my performance, okay, because I have all the kind of bloggers over there, but basically my fx okay, basically go over to my myfxbook, like over here. Okay, and I think there is a advertisement at the IC social as well. Wow, just a nice one. Let me just log into my account. Okay, basically what you need to do, you go to myfxbook.com, sign in. Okay, basically let me sign first. Picture go any one of you guys using your FX my FX book to keep track on your performance, or no, you never use this platform at all? Okay, I don't think that I can show you guys, but basically what you need to know, you log in. Okay, let's say you want to add the account. Let me just go to hop over, because I got so many like bloggers over there, right? Okay, so basically what you need to know, if you want to connect your trading account, go log into your own account here. Okay, you click on the portfolio here, you add your account here. From the platform, you can just pick whether you are using MT4 or MT5. Okay, you just click, or you use the IC market, we use like C Trader. Okay, you can continue. Okay, then after that you need to sign up with your C Trader account. Okay, oh here I don't know why it's changed to Chinese. I'm not even like Chinese, I don't understand Chinese. Okay, here after you log in here, it will just direct you to the my FX book. Okay, let me pick one of the account, okay, that I can show you guys which one. Okay, let me just I have IC market. Okay, here. Okay, let's just look for the IC market. What you can see here, let's say this is my real account. Like I got so many accounts, but this is a good one. I mean, I can show you guys this account. Okay, let's say over here they will say that okay, this is our real account. IC market, the leverage like 1 to 1000. I'm using a C Trader. Okay, you can see like stats over here, or you can go for like information. What you can see here for the overall for like this account, basically I have the profit of $247. Okay, and you can see that I like over here they will tell you like deposit $438 and I withdraw $685. The last update is March 22nd this year. So basically like for the 3 months, and then after that I stopped using this account, I use like another account. So basically this is the one, they will show you everything over here. Okay, you can just connect account as much as you want, like with different broker as well. They will tell you like long, or maybe you buy, you want how many, like 85%, or short or sell, you want like how many, like 75% out of, let's just say you trade 24, you win like 18 order, something like that. Okay, and then all this, they tell you, you also like calculate all the commission they have paid for this broker, which is like I pay like, they just say $50. Okay, and they will tell you like the best time when it's January 18. Okay, it's a pip, like how many pip I got, 193 pip. The worst day for me is January 14. I lose like 323 pip. Okay, this all you have. This is a lot size, 4.7 lot size, and they have an average win, average loss as well. Okay, this is the total and all of this. Okay, I recommend you guys to use this one. Okay, this is a good website for you to use. Okay, you can play around if you want to, but I have all this connect to my old training account. If you trade prop firm, okay, you also can connect your prop firm to this platform as well. Okay, how you're going to optimize your trading strategy? Basically, you can use a back testing. Okay, to me back testing is good, but I prefer to do the forward testing. So basically I don't do a back testing because as we already know, if you trade forex, right, if you use like the previous data, that is good for your back testing, but market condition is always changing, so that's why I don't really want to do a back testing anymore. What I do forward trade testing with my real account, but I just put like smaller lot size, should be just 0.01 for example, if I want to test my strategy. Okay, because if you test your strategy on the demo account, there is no emotion involved, right? So whether you hit stop loss or you hit take profit, you don't really feel anything. So best to test with your real account. Okay, and you also can, like just now I show you guys on the my myfxbook, you also can see performance metric over there, right, such as profit, average loss, or average win. Okay, like you can keep on monitor your trade performance as well. Okay, and best time to trade, to me, I don't really want to go too much on this. Basically, if you want to analyze on your performance, right, you don't look here. I think last night I also sell, so you don't get distracted on the goal. So basically, if you want to look like over here, okay, based on your time zone, okay, to me I prefer to enter my trade based on where I enter my trade on New York, no, not New York section, London section. Maybe one is a while, if I see a good trade setup, I will enter my position during the Asian section. Okay, but I'm very active on London section. And the pair that you should pick if you trade on the London section, you should trade on the USD, GBP, and gold. Okay, and I trade only like this 3 pair. Okay, it's like 90% I trade USD, GBP, and gold, because if you trade 3 of these, if you short USD and then you should short GBP and then you should short gold, because they move the same direction, we should know that, and they have a negative correlation with what, with the dollar index. What you could see, dollar is rising 95%, they are negative correlation. EU, GU, and gold will be falling, right? But it really rare case that gold will sometimes will rising. I mean, they have a positive correlation with dollar. What is the event? Such an event like there's a war, right? Dollar is rising, gold also rising, or maybe during the election, I think gold also rising, right? Dollar also rising, something like that. Okay, so this is, you should know how to trade with correlation. Look at dollar. Okay, dollar rising, you should sell. Okay, EU and GU and gold. And of course, you also can use correlation to see, for example, if dollar is approaching your key level. Basically, if dollar is approaching your resistance level, for example, EU should be approaching your where? Approaching your support level, right? Because they have a negative correlation. So now they're about to break my first support for the USD. Okay, so where is my second support? And maybe I refer to here just for example. Right now they break below because I think they have a momentum selling now, like you can see really strong rising. We're rising toward our overlap support level here. That's why you can see that they still have the room if you want to look, meaning that you don't sell, right? You can see that still have the room to reach the first resistance. And then you look at the EU, it might go to this bullet or the block here. Okay, so you don't do anything because don't have the kind of FOMO feeling. Okay, like I feel like I'm going to meet the trade, so you just jump in and sell. But sometimes you're lucky, right? Price is falling, but sometimes it might pull back. What I'm going to do here, okay, so it might come to this bullet or the block. Okay, so from here it may bounce to from the support, it becomes your resistance and continue to fall, right? So this one, if H4 close below, then this one gonna be your resistance level, and this one could be your second support. Okay, so you pick the time zone according where you live. Okay, I personally very seldom trade during the New York section. Okay, because during the New York section my time zone is like at about 8 or 9 p.m. most of the time. I think I want to sleep or do my own thing. That's why I really heavily trade on USD, GBP. Anyone sell here? Since we are talk about gold, right? Dollar is rising. We also can sell gold. Gold give me about 100 pips from I entering using my M15. Okay, price within the zone. Last night I also got this one. Go back up again. Remember I shared with you guys how to trade with divergence as well. You can see that there is a bearish divergence here. And M15, you look at your price action. Okay, price falling here. Okay, it's blue. It pull back from here. I did not close my TP at 2664, which is the green one. This is my TP. I mark price falling here, and then it bounce up again. Okay, like come to this one. I did not close. Pull back to where 2670. This one. So I did not chip my stop loss to break even. If not, I will hit my break even and then falling to my TP. So I don't chip my stop loss. I hold. And the reason, if you want to hold like more than 50 pip or 100 pip gold, if you're entering based on M15, you look at your RSI, right? Price falling, your TP should be at least 50. You look here, look at the 50 of your the RSI. Okay, like falling at least 50. And over here we sell, price go above or at least like 70, right? You can see that 70 here, right? And then we see the divergence, we see confirmation, and then you sell. Okay, then the FOMO just hold, price pullback, that is normal. You can just maybe go to the higher time frame, and then what you can see, this is very lovely. You can see that your price action, and price it happened where here our race box is within our sell zone. Okay, this is our sell zone. So this is my sell zone. Basically, this is my supply. Drop, base drop. We have 61.8 over here. Okay, if you want to like wait for confirmation, since here okay, my time zone is last night. Okay, during the New York section, basically you see your price action M5 here, right? Then you can sell. You can see that M5, your price action. What about M15? Where is it? Okay, over here. Okay, your M15, what is telling you? Price ending with bearish engulfing. Okay, like here, right? You wait for price to pull back. You pull back. You can see this candle, and then you sell all the way to where you keep your TP at this level, right? Your overlap become your overlap support over here, and then you can look at the RSI overbought for all the way below where I think now it's like 30 35. Look here on my right, you can see that all the way how many pip I entering here, for example, all the way about 150 pip for gold. Okay, last like yesterday. Okay, and then price go back up again. M15 also have price action here. So the divergence I just mentioned, right? And then you can sell, have another sell entry for this. Where your stop loss, you just put above your red box here. Okay, or you can put above your this swing high. Okay, you guys can share with me as well whether you keep your trade journey, or which time you prefer. Like I just mentioned, the best instrument to trade. Okay, like I just mentioned, you should trade major. Okay, I trade major. I don't trade the cross pair because you know sometimes with no volume and then it takes time to hit my like take profit. You could trade EURUSD GBP and USD JPY. I don't really trade what USD JPY because sometimes like the Bank of Japan, they like to intervene the market. Sometimes just boom, right? They just either they put the sell or they put the buy. So I don't really trade the UJ unless I see the trade setup, or I think that is good to trade, and then I will just pick. But I will stick with this 3 pair EU, GU and gold, okay, because you can see that typically offer the high liquidity and tighter spread, making them favorable for many traders. If you trade those like cross pair, you will see that they have a wider spread. And then to me, not many, for example, what you guys like to trade, maybe let's just say GBP/AUD, you can see the M15. Okay, M15, if we look here, do you think that you should sell, right? This is M15, they already make a equal high. This is GBP/AUD. What do you think about this pair? I never go to see this one for so long. Okay, you should sell. If you are to look like that, you should sell the GBP/AUD. Okay. We might see the confirmation already in M15. If you to identify this as a resistance level, and then you can see this could be your kind of like your chart pattern, double top. This the pattern of reversal pattern here. Okay, let's just say here you look at daily time frame for this pair, right? You can see just the candle is really like very small. But I know that a lot of you guys like to trade the cross pair as well, but I prefer not. This is the next resistance for the GBP/AUD if you trade. Okay, this could be your first resistance for daily time frame. What do you think is good to be? I will pick here. Where is their support level? I will pick at the week. Maybe this one. That could be my support. Basically, if you were to look, if you think that it seems like they're going to make maybe M pattern, they need to break this support line, then pull back, become like that at the neckline. Maybe like here. If they're going to make an M pattern, need to break our support, pull back, and then we sell. Target here. And then you can look at the I side here. I think can fall more. Okay. And this is like your resistance here. We already see that there is a confirmation in the lower time frame. M15. It is got a confirmation here. I'm not sure, but it seems like if we enter, okay, put stop loss above this one, this high. Okay, so pick the instrument that you want, and then you can use the personal analysis, right? You can pick instrument, analyze your training strategy and risk tolerance, right? So basically, if you trade where's my chart? They closed my chart already just now. Oh, here. So basically, if you are okay, let's say if you pick EURUSD and you think that you're a scalper, okay, which time frame should you look, guys? Anyone? If you're a scalper, okay, and then you want to trade on lower time frame, which time frame should you pick for scalper? Anyone? Or anyone can tell me whether you're a scalper, you're a day trade, you're a swing, or any. Nothing wrong. Okay, let's say if you're a scalper, okay, you should look at M15. Of course, you need to identify the key level or the higher time frame because there has less noise, right? And then you go to M15. You are yourself first, or maybe like this, by like end of this year, you should know that whether you are the day trade or you are a scalper or you are a swing trader. Okay, you need to know by now. What we could see here, let's say I want to scalp EURUSD. Okay, over here it seems like they make kind of like M pattern, right? Break below here. I pull out the I side. What do you see there? I will sell, right? Because there is a bearish divergence, right? Over here. And the M pattern, I will wait for price to kind of like the pull back at this one. Okay, and then you sell. Maybe you sell here, somehow you sell here, and then you know that it seems like price ranging based on M15, and then after that it's like rising over here, and then you feel like, oh, it seems like you're going to hit the stop loss. No, you should combine with what? You should combine with one we identify. I mean, you should combine with what? Your Fibonacci from your swing high to the swing low. Okay, now the Fibonacci level is acting at your resistance level, right? The level. You can see price break above. What another zone? Let's say I want to sell. Let's say I have a first sell here at the neckline. Price pull back up. Okay, another zone I'm looking is somewhere around this kind of like demand. Not demand. Sorry, support. Supply zone is here. And in M15, let's say if price break above this high, okay, the next sell zone also somehow where I have another extension right here. So let's say I have a first sell here. Okay, my high is here, right? And my low, which is I pull, is where is here. It is here. Where is my peak? Is here. Okay, let me includes the starting and ending point over here. Let's say, okay, I sell. Okay, it's maybe happy I did not close. Okay, price is kind of like break above. Maybe I did not put my stop loss here because I know that I have a second plan. Okay, because I want to see if price rising, another sell zone gonna be here because I have supply. I have 50% fib. I have fib extension. So price rising here. I'm very happy because at this candle, price go to the zone. Confirmation M15 is this one. Price ending with bearish engulfing candle is a sign of reversal, right? Price will go back up here, and then I have another sell, and then I hold. Okay, I hold. If you want to look at the higher time frame on H4, what do you see? You want to sell here, bearish engulf, right? Price go back up here is your higher time frame. What is this one? Bearish order block, right? But because I'm scalping, I can go to the lower time frame. I want to see what happening. That's why we sell here in a bearish order block. Okay, I want to sell here in the neckline because I will tell you that not every neckline will work. Like, of course, we teach you guys like those like a M pattern, right? Break below, pull back to the neckline, and then you sell. This is kind of like the pattern, break below and your neckline here, and then you sell. Okay, another one I will tell you guys to take note is that let's say you have the first sell here, look somewhere around here. They will have either supply like just now, or they may have the FVG or fair value gap here, and then it will align with your Fibonacci either 50 or 61.8% somewhere around that zone, or maybe 78.6 somewhere around here, and then you could have another entry. This one you could call like MPL or what's called like maximum pain level or something like that. I can't remember, or somewhere around here. Okay, so let's say sell here, and then second plan, you think if price is not going down, you wait for second sell here. Stop loss is up to you because you know our loss size is different, our account or capital also different, so it's up to you. Okay, I don't have a fixed stop loss. Okay, I'm very flexible depending on my lot size. as well. So this is how you trade. Okay, if you want to trade or scalping, go M15. Combine with Fibonacci. You can combine with what? You can combine with RSI. My trade is very simple. Okay, I don't use too much indicator. Okay, basically I can trade. You look for what? Okay, let's just say if you are confused, you don't know where you should start learning to trade forex correctly. First, from my experience, right, but when I new to the market, I learned everything. Then end up I don't know which one I should focus, because somebody said this and also like that technique also good, another technique also can make like $1 million, but end up you mixing everything together and then you don't know which one you should focus. But first, should identify key level. What is your key level? Your support and resistance, right? Your support and resistance, you should know how to identify. Support and resistance, some call demand and supply. Support also is your demand. Okay, resistance also call supply. Okay, they work mostly of the same work. Okay. And another one is, if you want to those like second one, bullish and bearish order block, right? Or those like OB, they short from the OB, which is order block. Actually, I summarize for you so you don't get confused. I will tell you, nobody will tell you this, right? But if you want bearish engulf, right? Engulfing candle or bullish engulfing candle, they will call bullish order block, right? How it look like, it just show you guys just now. I just say engulfing candle, which is here, right? This is M15, your bearish. This one we call bearish order block, which is bearish engulfing candle. They will create your bearish order block. We just look something like that. Okay, so first identify the key level. Okay, and then bearish order like demand and supply, bearish or bullish order block. And second one, you should use, to me, don't miss out your eyesight to identify where identify divergence, right? Divergence. Okay, this one, if you guys don't trade with a divergence, you miss out a lot of trade opportunity. Okay, use ISI default number which 14. I know that a lot of the traders, they are using stochastic, they are using MACD, but I don't use that. I'll just use the ISI. Okay, and what you could use, you can maybe combine with Fibonacci. Okay, that's it. Then you need to know how to look at market structure. What is market structure? Like whether price uptrend or downtrend. Basically, you just look at price is make a higher high. Let's just say you know that higher high, higher low. Market structure, you should look at on the higher time frame, which is like here. Let's just look at EUSD on a higher time frame. What do you think about it? I go to the daily time frame. Okay, the sign is that since they know that is a bearish, since this daily time frame, right, equal high, you can see that it's an equal high over here, and then we also could see that right here there is an M pattern. Price did not go to the neckline here, because not all the time price will come to the neckline and give you like $1 million. It's no, right? But from here we know that M pattern, it look like M pattern, or it, you can say that it's a double top. Okay, it happened when at your resistance level, and then you know that you're going to sell, right? You're going to sell because price already make a M pattern here, and we know that somehow over here is your support, right? For example, here before that is our support level. Okay, they break below, pull back, now it become your pullback resistance, now it become your overlap, right? That's why you can see time frame. If you go to the lower time frame, do you see your price action is here? You can see that star. This should be evening star, and you also see here, right, evening star. And then you can see that price make a lower low, lower high. This is your market structures. Okay, pull back to the support level and continue to sell over here. Let's say we go here, you go to M15. If you want to sell, price is approaching our key level. Right, then what you can see that it's falling. I think that's a new as well. If you put exact, that's this one, you may miss out. You may miss the trade if you put exact, right? So, and then continue to fall, because we trade based on the highest time frame, which is daily. Okay, daily time frame here, the price falling. Let's say here, what do you think that daily time frame here, they create your bearish order block as well, right? You can identify your bearish order block and then continue. So this zone is still valid as long as price did not come to the zone. Basically, this one is our resistance level, right? So if price come to this, just take note, if price come to this zone, I'm gonna sell. It's the same like gold. Okay, the reason why I sell here, because before that, okay, price did not come to this zone. Okay, you can see that remove. Okay, my zone that I'm looking for is here, like before yesterday. Okay, like Monday. Okay, price did not come, right? Even like this one, not even touching, and then price is falling. I'm draw from like the body. Okay, and then I also combine with like Fibonacci. You can see that 61.8%. So I just have my trades up. So if price come to this zone, I'm gonna sell. So yesterday I sell here, like I just mentioned. Then you will see the confirmation in the lower time frame, like this one, bearish engulfing candle, which is your bearish at the block. This candle back up again. Here, right? And then I see, oh, okay, I'm waiting for M15 to finish. I label out. Price come to this one, I'm gonna sell. Okay, I'm gonna back up here. Or if I already sell, price go back up here, I'm not going to panic, because I know this is a bearish at the block in M15. And then you can see price go back up. Okay, I can have enter here, or if I already sell here, I hold my trade, because M15 you can see that go to the bearish at the block, price falling. And then you look at the RSI, you can see that overbought already. You could target here, TP1 here, and TP2 here. TP1 and maybe TP2, it may not come and go back up again. It is like during the Asian section, price falling. Now price did not come to TP2, but at least go to the TP1. And over here, what do you think that this also have your demand or your support, right? That's why price come to this zone. You can see rejection and rising. Okay, so do you guys have any question? that's all about your how you analyze your trade performance this year. You can share with me how is your trade performance this year so far. You make a profit, or you still like losing, or you still learning, or anything. You can talk to me. Okay, so this is the best tool for you to use. Or back to my FX books over here. Okay, you can just like see over here so many like people talking, but I really seldom come to look like other people. I just go to my own thing and then see whether like how is my performance. Okay, that's all for today. You guys have any question, or should we just look at our chart and maybe we try to look for the trade setup for today? If there is any news coming up. Okay, basically today is no news. Tuesday, no. Only tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday we have a news for the dollar index. Okay. You can okay, Ajay request that for you SCCD. Okay, shall we look at the higher time frame first? Now I'm looking at the higher time frame based on daily time frame. What do you think? That I think you might want to see the divergence here. Okay, let's see the bearish divergence here. Let's see. Okay, let me look first. Here, I need to break of this one. Go up already. Do you have any position open now, or you don't have? You could sell. Okay, we could okay, you can sell USD. Our price action is here. I already see the divergence based on H4 time frame. Okay, at your own risk. Okay, if you can take risk, you can sell. Stop loss you put above this one, or you use the ATR to place your stop loss. With if you attend the class, the ATR, you can you use the one ATR to place your stop loss. Okay, I think one ATR is how much? Let me see. Average true range about 0.031 like 31 pip. Okay, so you enter now. You just use this amount plus your 0.00308 something like that to place your stop loss, and your take profit is here. Your TP should be here. Let's say if we sell now, what is my, you go for short now at this price. Okay, I want to put my stop loss. Let me calculate. Where is my price at? Let's just say 1.4720. Let's say I plus, I just somehow click at 0.00308. I will put my stop loss for myself entry at 1.47508. 1.7508. Okay, that's my stop loss. Ooh, that's, wait, that's too much. Why is there? There's something wrong. Let me see again. 0308. Again. Okay, let me enter at 1.4. Okay, let's just don't want to take too much time. Let's just say I put my stop loss slightly above the wick, because I saw the divergence already. Okay, we just aim for 1 to 1 or put slightly above here. Your TP, do a stop loss, you adjust, let's just say, I will put stop loss here. 1 to 1.7 your risk and reward. Okay, because we already have the divergence here, right? And there also divergence on the M15, which is here. If you were to look here, okay, so you can sell the UCAT. Okay, no position. Okay, so basically let me highlight the key level. Okay, definitely this your high. You can see that your first resistance, if you were to refer to this week, right, you can see that price could not close above, and you can see your lovely price action H4 and this candle as well, and this one closed below this level. That's why we sell this price. Okay, and we will target here, or you could target at the at the wick here. You target here for your entry, right? Let's just say you will sell somewhere like that. We'll target here. Do you think that price going to fall down? It's like going to fall, right? You can see the rejection here. Okay, that is the, let's say if price break above our swing high resistance level, you can see on your left there is nothing. What we could use, you could use your extension 127, that you can see price almost hits your extension 127, or we could use the Fibonacci projection. Okay, which one you should use? I will pick 78 projection. I will pick 61.8 extension. So this is my Fibonacci confluence level for my second support. Okay, basically I'm gonna sell. I put my stop loss slightly above this week. Okay, but if you think you can hold until your second resistance, it's up to you. Okay, let's say if sell here, hit my stop loss, the second sell gonna be here. If you were to sell here, at least it's gonna be your TP, price might bounce up. If they break below, pull back and then you sell. Okay, but of course you sell TP1. Okay, but if they break below, you hold your sell, pull back, have a second order. When it's pull back to your from the support, it become your resistance. Or if price continue to go bullish, then from here you may see the rejection and continue to go fly high, something like that. Okay, this is gonna be my second support. Okay, any pair besides you can request. We still have, let's just say 15 minutes. Let's just say 10 minutes, not 15 minutes. You have any pair, or maybe we look at the anybody trade BTC? You don't trade BTC. Me too, me either. USD CHF price at the zone. Okay, this is still my zone, but it seems like they're going to break. I'm not sure. So shall we just maybe go to the lower time frame? Okay, we can sell based on M15. I see my price action here. Okay, this is my sell zone, and I see the price action. Maybe there's a divergence in the lower time frame. Okay, there's a divergence as well in the lower time frame. Bearish divergence here on M5. So this is my sell zone. Okay, based on M15, price will pull back. If you don't have, you wait for price to pull back to this zone. Okay, at least somewhere around this one to, I will put the red spot to this zone. Okay, if they don't pull back, you can, if you think that it might pull back, and then you can sell, it's up to you. But sometimes, you know, it might pull back here and then fall down. Why? Because price break below this low already, right? This one. Sometimes it might just pull back, like break here. Right, it might pull back, and then you sell. Yes, you think that it will go back here, you will go somewhere around here. This could be either QM or head and shoulder, right? We just put here left shoulder, head, break below, could create the right shoulder, or maybe QM or somewhere around here and then falling. Below, beside here, we also have kind of like the gap. Here you could identify as your FVG. You can see that I say if you don't trade, you wait for price to come to this zone and then you sell. Okay, now you see the rejection. Okay, any pair beside this one, just whichever way to sell here. Okay, for the sell zone, could be here, could be here. Okay, or maybe you just fall from here, but you just, if you think that it's going to fall, you can just have a small lot size over here at the neckline there. Okay, any pair beside this one before I end the webinars, guys? Nobody requests Aussie. Okay, Aussie dollars. What do you think about this one? The Aussie dollar, one thing about the Aussie dollar is like market structure is not very clear, but somehow price falling from pullback resistance on the lower time on daily time frame. Okay, and they all the way to this support level. Then your first support level here. So basically it's just a ranging, okay, or sideways based on daily time frame, or you look at H4, just look like this. So able to see like that, I might buy. Okay, you can see that if you want to buy here based on, we see the like kind of price action or somehow. Okay, you put your stop loss below this week, that's all. They are just, the level is here. Before price come up here, that will be FIBO, like, you know, 61.8% from this swing high to the swing low, right? You can see that 61.8% and price falling. And then you can see that there is a kind of like demand. Okay, so we can buy. You can buy Aussie dollar at your own risk. You buy here and you buy up. Okay, where your TP used to buy here, this one could be your TP1 at this price. Just now we enter, you will earn about 20 pip. Aim for 20 pip. Okay, it's rising already. Just now you can see that price is rising already. That's why I ask you to buy if you want to. Okay. Last pair before I end the webinar, guys, and you can see that this is kind of like my TP. If you want to buy it rising, you're welcome. Lovely price action here. TP1 is here. It's the same for 20 pip. Take profit. Okay, last pair before I end. Maybe you have a quick look on the BTC. What's happening here? Within a day, price is rising above 100k and then fall below 100k, and now it's at below 100k. I think BTC almost the year end. Okay, it may not go make an all-time high because they already make an all-time high here. We see the divergence here as well. Anyone buy BTC? Maybe you're already millionaire, right? If you bought at like the lower price. This is really nice overlap based on daily time frame, right? Using the price before here, but it will take time. But I think it will come for pullback sell. They need to break below this support level first. Okay, for this one based on the daily, and the price is this one. They need to break below this. If they break below, pull back, okay, and then you sell. No, now not gonna do anything for the BTC. Just you can see the candle. It's not very nice to trade. Okay, now I believe the investor are not going to buy or not going to sell. If you guys have the buy below, they will still keep their position ongoing. If they sell, if they was to sell here, I think they already like kind of either make profit or cheap to break even. But if anyone buy like the for since the below here, I think they still hold the position here at this price. Nobody buy. Okay, they still just hold. All right guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again next Tuesday before Christmas Eve, right? Because next week 17. Okay, and then after that I will be on leave. Okay, I will see you guys again like next Tuesday, and then after that after 2025. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again in the next webinars. All right, happy trading, take care. All right, and good luck to all of you, and I hope that like this year is gonna be a good year for us. Definitely is a good year for me. I learned a lot of things as well this year. Okay, and I have one last question. Do you think that practice is make perfect? Do you agree with this one? Practice make perfect. Any one of you guys? Do you think? Do you agree with this quote? Before I end, perfect. What is that? Perfect. Perfect is make. Practice make perfect. On you say yes, I disagree. Okay, I disagree with that because nobody is perfect. Okay, agree. I disagree with you. Okay, of course practice is not make a perfect. If you it make perfect, why we keep practicing and then we still have the mistake. Okay, the more you practicing, the more less mistake you make, right? It's nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. I have been trading the same strategy. Okay, I always on par. I always like discipline. But one other day they is still like make a mistake. So yeah, hit the like everyone. So I disagree with practice make perfect. Nobody perfect. It's just that practice is make you make less mistake. That's all. You're gonna be there somehow. Okay, so all right guys, thank you so much. Okay. See you again next Tuesday. Okay, learn through the failure. Yeah, somehow, but don't keep like make the same mistake over and over again. If you know your own mistake and then you keep over again, like make the same mistake, meaning that you will never you will never be a good trader. Okay, so practice and don't repeat the same mistake. Don't be greedy, be disciplined. And the thing is, I think the topic you should start learning maybe for 2025 is trade psychology. That is very, very important than your technique or others. Okay, so you should go and learn training psychologists. I think that's the best one as well. Okay, I need to go. Bye for now, guys. Take care. So many of you guys give me the heart icon, the heart that keep floating there. Okay, take care. Bye for now.